Imagine this. You sit down for 1 hour, open one simple AI tool, and finish a digital product that can earn you $20, $40, or even $100 a day. The crazy part is, people are already making money with this exact gig, and most of them started with zero skills. If you want a fast, beginner-friendly way to make your first $100 per day online, then stay with me. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show. Today, I'll show you a simple AI gig you can start in the next hour. I'll also show you exactly how to turn it into a $100 a day income stream. Let's jump in. The gig is simple. You're going to use AI tools to create digital templates that people buy every single day. These templates can include social media posts, business flyers, and YouTube thumbnails. You can also create Instagram Reel templates, resume designs, and planners. Additionally, YouTube automation script templates are another popular option. Digital files are powerful because they take only a few minutes to make, but you can sell the same file over and over again without extra work. This is why beginners are earning passive income with this method. You only need two tools, Canva and ChatGPT. Use Canva to design clean, professional templates, and use ChatGPT to write the text or fill in the content. With these two tools, you can create an entire digital product in 30 to 60 minutes, even if you've never designed anything before. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to create a useful template buyers can customize easily. Let's walk through an example. Say you want to create a YouTube thumbnail pack. You open Canva, choose a bold layout, and ask ChatGPT to write 3 clickable titles. Then, you save 5 variations, and now you have a complete thumbnail bundle. Or maybe you want to create an Instagram Reel template. Use Canva's mobile-first designs, add bold text, simple animations, and clean colors, and boom, another digital product is done. Creating one product takes less than an hour, and once it's uploaded, it can keep selling for months. Now you need to upload your digital product to platforms where people are already searching for these templates. The best places are Etsy, Fiverr, Gumroad, and Payhip. Etsy is perfect for visual templates, while Fiverr is great if you want to offer custom versions for higher pricing. Gumroad and Payhip work well for simple, fast sales. Upload your file, add a clear description, and use 3 strong preview images so buyers can see exactly what they're getting. To hit $100 per day, you don't need hundreds of products. You only need one product that sells consistently, or 5 to 6 products that sell a few times every week. For example, if your template sells for $8, you only need 13 sales a day to hit $100. Most sellers don't rely on one product. They build a small library, and sales stack naturally over time. And that's the complete beginner-friendly AI gig you can start today in just 1 hour. Digital products are powerful because they work even when you're asleep, and AI makes the whole process easier than ever. If you want more step-by-step AI income tutorials, subscribe to The Bright Mind Show. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.